Today we got the reveal of Infinite Warfare Zombies DLC 1. And in the lead up to today's reveal, there was a lot of discussion about what the name of the new map could possibly be. Lee Ross, the Associate Project Director for Zombies at Infinity Ward, was tweeting out some hints with certain word and letter combinations, but unfortunately I didn't see anybody get the right answer in terms of what the actual map name is. We got that first image yesterday of the map. Everybody's speculating that the map name is probably going to contain woods in it, which is true, but then later that night I got a message from a friend named Bbat on Twitter where he DM'd me saying, I'm pretty confident that the new map will be called Zombies in Rave something. And I asked him, why do you think that? And he responded that before the beta came out, there was a data leak, and that in the code there was a zombies map with the code name CP_Rave, whereas Spaceland is CP_Spaceland, meaning that he thinks that this image is probably CP_Rave. And my response, well, I'm not exactly sure how you can get Rave out of this picture. It's just a lonely cabin in the woods, it seems like. But Bbat seemed pretty confident that the map would in some fashion contain the word Rave. Well, today we got the reveal along with the map name Rave in the Redwoods. Bbat, as far as I know, is the only person suggesting that this DLC 1 map name would contain something to do with a rave, and he was in fact correct. So today I went back to Bbat saying, hey, your source predicted that this map would be having something to do with Rave. You guessed the right map name. That must mean that the source is legit and it's accurate. What else did it say? When he said that basically, first of all, this is not a public leak, this is a private leak, and the person that's responsible for it wishes to stay anonymous. But what he did say was that there was two other map names within this file leak. One was called CP_Titan, and the other called CP_Range. So from the leak, we have Rave, Titan, and Range as map names. We know that CP_Rave is Rave in the Redwoods. So the question is, what is Titan and Range? The answer to that might be the names of DLC 2 and 3. Again, there is no official confirmation of this, and we're looking way far ahead here, but it does seem to me that if it was accurate in terms of naming Rave, it may very well be accurate in naming Titan and Range as well. Remember though, these are not the full names of the map, these are the map names in the code. So for example, where we have Zombies in Spaceland as the map name, in the code it's just referred to as CP_Spaceland. In terms of what we can assume from these names, Range and Titan, I would imagine since we're already advancing through time with Spaceland being set in the 80s, Rave being set in the 90s, maybe Titan is set in the future, whereas Range is somewhere in the middle, like mid-2000s or something like that. That would kind of make sense to me, progressing towards where Infinite Warfare is set from the beginnings in Spaceland in the 80s all the way up to late future. But there you have it, possible leaks already of the map names of DLCs 2 and 3, Titan and Range. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the description. Remember to leave a thumbs up if you haven't already. I'll also include a link to the DLC 1 trailer down in the description, starting from where the zombies portion begin, because we don't really care about multiplayer, do we? But I want to thank you so much for watching once again. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're not already, and I'll see you with another Zombies news update tomorrow.